Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Sunrise twist through the open door. Fresh breeze whisper on the floor. Me breathing hope, release the fear. Golden steps soon appear. Me see the youth look far and wide, searching for them can't decide. World a spin with worry tight, but me show them spark of light. Ancient wisdom hiding tune, play it soft or play it soon. Guide the mind like gentle tide, lead them through the changing ride. Run. Streets full of voices day and night. Some are sorrow, some are bright. Me walk slow, me listen deep. Hear the promise life must keep. People stumble, people rise. Hope reflecting weary eyes. Golden steps mark every way. Truth reveal when Riddim play. Golden steps of tomorrow shine. Lead the people in a holy line. Every burden, every tear fade away when hope draw near. Golden steps of tomorrow strong. Keep the youths them moving long. Forward trod with steady stride. Let the wisdom be your guide. Me watch the hillside turn to gold, like story elders always told. Strength return through season tough. Teach the heart to stay enough. People join from far and near. Share the blessings, cancel fear. Golden glow cover the land. Warm each heart and every hand. Crowd unite when the nightfall bend. Share the journey without end. Missy mother hold her child, calm him with a whisper mile. Missy elder smile again, free at last from hidden pain. Golden steps rise high and clear, show the pathway we hold dear. Take courage, keep faith. Time will open every gate. No matter how the worries stay, tomorrow find a brighter way. Golden steps of tomorrow shine. Lead the people in a holy line. Every burden, every tear fade away when hope draw near. Golden steps of tomorrow strong. Keep the youths them moving long. March together hand in hand. Build a future for the land. Golden steps, pure and true. Lift the spirit, true and true. When the night I feel too long, sing the golden morning song. Step by step, we rise again. Walk the path beyond the pain. Drums are knocking at the twilight breeze. Lion heart move gentle like the seas. Bassline hum soft on the moon so bright. Calling the spirit fi rise tonight. Me step on the earth with steady mind. Every footstep search for peace fi find. The world a race but me choose slow pace. Hold the truth and guard the sacred space. Storms may roll but me roots run deep. Through darkest hour Jah blessings keep. Not a crown me chase nor a throne me need. Just pure vibration, soul run free. Me see the elders reasoning wise. Teach the youth fi open up them patience shape a stronger man. Hold firm to purpose, follow your plan. The system try distract me head, but clarity shine where hope is spread. Me chant for the ones who walk alone, to remind them strength still carve them home. Golden roots rising through the night, guide each spirit into light. Lift your voice, let freedom ring. Every heartbeat start to sing. Golden roots growing wide and strong, carry the people all along. One bright flame we hold inside, spread the warmth through every stride. Me all a vision clear and tall, unity break every wall. Me see smiles returning bitter times, and courage echo in hidden rhymes. The ground beneath me feel alive, push me forward, help me thrive. Even when shadows closing tight, hope still whisper, fi stand upright. Children paint dreams in glowing shade, more colorful than what history made. Me see the future in them eyes, a brighter than where soon will rise. Drum beat lift them step again, wash them sorrow, ease them pain. Me chant for joy, for reign supreme, turn each moment into dream. Hold and steady, keep your fire, let it guide your heart much higher. Every soul a priceless gem, Jah love cradle all of them. No division, no despair, only truth flow through the air. Golden roots rising through the night, guide each spirit into light. Lift your voice, let freedom ring. Every heartbeat start to sing. Golden roots growing wide and strong, carry the people all along. Golden roots forever bright, turn the darkness into light. When the night fall, whisper low, let your natural essence glow. Golden roots keep holding you, till morning sun come shining through.
Ay, 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 yeah, man. Give me the paper, yeah, man. Ay, 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 ay. Me hear the earth call out me name. Protect the life, protect the flame. Me kneel and touch the holy soil, bless me tile. The mountains speak, the river cry. Jah creation never lie. Man abuse the gift them get, still Jah not forget. Me chant for balance and care, clean the air. Me see the forest lose the leaf, world in grief, but love a stronger seed, planted indeed. Me teach the youth to love the land, work with Jah and chant of the earth, sing loud. Lift the people, lift the crowd, heal the ocean, heal the tree, make creation free. Chant of the earth, righteous stone every creature. Jah own, respect the ground we tread, live instead. Oh, me feel the rhythm in the rain, wash away me pain. Thunder roll like Naya bingy drum, better days soon come. Me dance under the open sky, spirit high. Me hear the ancient song again, travel through each vein. It tell me man and earth same one, under Jah sun. So me chant till voice done gone, creation singing perfect tone. We never alone. Every wave and every breeze, speak your peace. Oh, chant of the earth, sing loud. Lift the people, lift the crowd. Heal the ocean, heal the tree. Make creation free. Chant of the earth, righteous stone every creature. Jah own, respect the ground we tread. Live instead. Oh, 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 oh. Earth and man together stand. One divine hand, me chant till morning rise.
Aye, aye, aye. Jah bless the world and the people, yeah man, yeah man, yeah man, yeah man, yeah man, yeah man. Oh, me gaze on the mountain peak, truth me see. Wind whisper through the leaves, ancient beliefs. Me heart strong, me mind free, like the sea. Me climb through storm and cold, story told. Every scar me carry proud, say it loud. Them try to push me down, me wear me crown. Faith higher than the sky, me never die. Me see the wicked boast them gain, still vain. Them no build pan righteous and they can't stand. Me plant love deep in a soil, true tile. Mountains rise through Jah grace, light up the place. Shoop, 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 shoop. Mountains will rise, hearts will grow. Through Jah light we overflow. Mountains will rise, faith so strong. Jah carry all along. Mountains will rise, hearts will grow. Through Jah light we overflow. Mountains will rise, faith so strong. Jah carry all along. Sing for the humble and weak, truth them seek. Every voice in harmony, unity. The power no come from gold, but story told. Mountains move when we believe. Jah achieve. Me look cross valley wide, hope inside. Each sunrise a promise new, blessings true. Even when the rain fall hard, Jah guard. Mountains stand tall and fear love everywhere. Me no bow, me no fall. Jah guide all. Me climb higher through the fight, see the light. Every struggle shape my soul, make me whole. Chook, 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 chook. Mountains will rise, hearts will grow. Through Jah light we overflow. Mountains will rise, faith so strong. Jah carry all along. Mountains rise, Babylon fall. Hear Jah call. Faith the power, love the key. Set we free. Mountains rise, Babylon fall. Hear Jah call. Faith the power, love the key. Set we free. The top, me give thanks from the ranks. Jah mountain stand eternal light under the sky.
Bum 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 bum. Bum bum bum.
Morning breeze carry the rhythm slow. Every heartbeat tuned to the flow. Me step out steady, mind open wide. Catch the rhythm as it start to glide. From corner shop to the hillside steep. Music echo where the spirits keep. People gather when the drum them call. Big or small, it unite them all. Me hold the vibes like a sacred flame. Lift up the youth where forget them name. Strength return when the roots tune rise. Glow like dawn in the sleepy skies. Old men hum a forgotten tune. Young blood move to the afternoon. Songs are heal where the world can mend. Every note like a long time friend. Me feel the burden ease off me chest. Soundwave lift me above the rest. Harmony be like a mountain strong. Carry the weary through the day long. Rise up the soundwave, roll it far. Light up the spirit like morning star. Every nation, every shore. Feel the heartbeat at the core. Rise up the soundwave, loud and clean. Wash off trouble where we never seen. One vibration, all we tight. Guide the path into the light. Me hear the market clash with June. Children dance in the afternoon. Vibes collide but create one line. Steady groove of a holy sign. Voices blend like a woven thread. Lift the living, bless the dead. Me see resilience in every face. Steady steps in a humble pace. Night descend but the spirit stay. No darkness push the sound away. From yard to yard it resonate. Break down wall where divide we fate. Roots musician tune the night. Guide the people back to light. Every beat rebuild the soul. Help the broken become whole. Hold firm, keep strong. Soundwave guide we all along. Through the struggle, through the rain. Music ease the hidden pain. Forward steps, steady path. Lift the present, heal the past. Rise up the soundwave, roll it far. Light up the spirit like morning star. Every nation, every shore. Feel the heartbeat at the core. Rise up the soundwave, loud and clean. Wash off trouble where we never seen. Flow through the valley, high and deep. Wake the silent from them sleep. Rise up the soundwave, keep it strong. Carry the people all day long.
Flesh and bone, sky burn orange, red and blue. Horizon whisper something new. Me stand pon cliff and scan the deep. Hear the memories people keep. Voices echo from distant shore. Stories old and plenty more. Me feel a pull from far away. Guide me thought like break of day. Horizon open like a gate. Teach me say the world can't wait. Oh, 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 oh. Beneath the clouds them farming slow. Truth appear in subtle glow. People wonder, people roam. hailing from every side. Voice of the horizon, call we near. Sing away doubt, silence fear. Every corner of the earth, rise again to find rebirth. Voice of the horizon, pure and wide. Guide the people as them stride. Let it echo through the land. Lift up every heart and hand. Night approach with silver gleam. Moonlight bless the flowing stream. Me hear laughter from the square. Proof say unity still the near. Elders reason about olden days. Youth them follow the brighter ways. Horizon's message travel far. Shine like steady evening star. Me see a village break the chain. Leave behind the secret pain. New beginning come alive. Help the weary soul survive. Voices blend as one again. Guide the children through the rain. Horizon teach a lesson wise. Lift up truth before it dies. Stand tall, hold strong. Walk the path where you belong. When confusion cloud the sky, listen close, the truth can't lie. Voice of the horizon, call we near. Sing away doubt, silence fear. Every corner of the earth, rise again to find rebirth. Voice of the horizon, pure and wide. Guide the people as them stride. Carry wisdom through the night. Turn them shadows into light. Voice of the horizon lead. Give the people what them need. If the road feel rough and long, let the horizon be your song. Carry the message soft and free. Find the truth meant to be. Na 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 na. The na 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 na. Me step in a garden, cool and bright. Blessed sight, me smell the herb, me feel the peace. Sweet release, Jah and in every leaf me see harmony. Me plant my seed with love and care. Open ear, every root, whole life so tight. Pure light, no poison, no greed me sow. Just grow, Jah Garden bloom wide and clear. Me draw near, me see the butterfly and bee. Work naturally, them no rush, them flow in tune. Sun and moon, me learn to live same way. Each day, Jah Garden teach me grace. In this place, Jah Garden bloom. Color bright, full of light. Jah Garden bloom. Sweet and strong, right every wrong. Me share the fruit with my brethren round. Blessed sound, me teach the youth fi till the land. By Jah and no hunger, no hate me preach. Just reach Jah Garden truth and song. Keep me strong, me sit and reason with my queen. Peaceful scene, she smile and say life sweet. When heart meet, we build Jah world again. Free from pain, Jah Garden bloom forevermore. Love restore, me no war with nature me flow. Jah know every bloom a scripture clear. Fi all ear, Jah Garden feed the soul. Make we all Jah Garden bloom. Color bright, full of light. Jah Garden bloom. Sweet and strong, right every wrong. Jah Garden bloom. Wide and fair, love everywhere. Jah Garden bloom. Morning dew, life renew. So when me gone from this earth, remember Jah birth. Plant love, plant truth in a the youth. Jah Garden bloom again, without end.
me so high, man. Me wake before the cock crow, hear the river flow. Jah morning light a bless the earth, rebirth. Me breathe in peace again, wash away the pain. Morning of Zion rise, beauty fill the skies. Me step out on the grass, dew, everything new. Me feel Jah presence strong. Where me belong, me stretch me hand to the east. Give thanks for feast, me no worry about tomorrow. No sorrow, me hear the drum beat start. Heal me heart, me sing me praise for the dawn. Old pain gone, the light touch me face. Sacred place, Jah whisper me name slow. Blessings flow, me walk through the village lane. Hear them call me name, Rasta, sing for we again. Me lift my pen, me write the song for peace. Till war cease, me chant the words for all. Big and small, me feel the mountain better days fi come, children play in a street. Joy complete, me see the mothers pray. Hope today, morning of Zion glow, love overflow.
Morning of Zion bright, full of light.
Rise up, sing your song.
Right your wrong. Morning of Zion call, stand tall.
Let the love unfold.
Hearts of gold. Morning of Zion bright, full of light.
Rise up,
sing your song. Right your wrong. Morning of Zion call.
me see the elder by the gate, talk about faith. Him say son, the struggle on, but keep strong. Me nod and smile, me know truth grow. Every dawn I give, spirit lift. Me walk on the hill so high, touch the sky, my bridge high up pure. Me secure, no darkness still. Light find way, morning glowing on my chest. Jah manifest, me sing till the day complete. Love repeat, me see the market full again. No pain, me bless the people, me meet. Smile sweet, Zion morning wide and free. Harmony, me no fear the night return. Me learn every dawn a sign, all divine.
Morning of Zion bright, full of light.
Rise up, sing your song.
Right your wrong. Morning of Zion call, stand tall.
Let the love unfold.
Hearts of gold. Morning of Zion bright, full of light.
Rise up,
Sing your song. Right your wrong. Morning of Zion call.
so when the sun go down low, me still glow. Morning of Zion remain, true joy and pain. True joy and pain.
Yeah, yeah, Zion, inna the puff, yeah, man. Me pack the van and me leave the town. Too much noise, me can't settle down. Me need the hills, me need the breeze. Me soul want chant beneath the trees. Me nah follow no digital maze. Me follow sun, me follow praise. One draw, one breath, me mind feel free. Me spirit chant like a sacred tree. Pon the roots highway, me find me way. Smoke rise up and me trouble sway. Every mile a meditation. Me ride in a Jah vibration. Pon the roots highway, me hear Jah call. No city lights, just nature's hall. This are the road of revelation. Pure art, no imitation. Me stop at river, me wash me face. Cool water touch me soul with grace. Me see a elder chant by stone. Me join in, me never alone. He say youth live true and live clean. Babylon sweet but it rob your dream. Me say me done, me take me part. One rhythm drum, one sacred heart. The Every herb me light is blessed and wise. A key fi open eye and eyes. Me no hide it, me celebrate. With every puff, me elevate. Rasta no rush, Rasta flow. Like a stream, slow and low. This journey no need no map. Just ears for listen and time for nap. Me feel me heartbeat match the drum. Me know me reach where me belong. Roots highway, me temple true. Every tree a guide, every breeze a clue. On the roots highway, we chant and roll. Smoke lift the pain from body and soul. Every corner wall a sign of Rastafari's grand design. On the roots highway, life feel right. Under the stars and moonlight bright. We burn the stress, we burn the fear. Only love dwell upon this sphere. Me reach a village, the fire blaze. Drum and bass start set the pace. Children dance and elders smile. Me stay on the rhythm for a while. I tell pot bubble, scent so sweet. Me eat and give thanks for the treat. Me burn a spliff under sacred moon. Me spirit soar like reggae tune. Me no need mansion, no diamond ring. Me need a chant and bird them sing. Me rich with peace, me welter with time. Me live in rhythm, me move in rhyme. So if you're tired of the noise and lie, come find truth under Jah sky. Roll your herbs and ride away. On the roots highway, come what may.
Na 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 na. Na na ya. Raga oh yeah. Oh yeah. Underwater deep and wide. Riverstones in silence hide. Every stone a memory old. Song of ages still retold. Current hum a melody. River chant eternity. Every ripple soft and clear. Stone of wisdom echo near. Traveler rest beside the stream. Riverstone reflect his dream. Every glimmer catch the light. Song of mercy pure and bright. Babylon nights begin to fade. Riverstone by Jah was made. Every pebble along. River sing the freedom song. La 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 la. Stone so small, hear the whisper, hear the call. Every sound a sacred key, unlock truth eternally. Stormy rage and waters rise. Stone remain beneath the skies. Everlasting, bold and true. Riverstone still shine for you. Farmer wash the soil away. Riverstone reveal the day. Every color born of flame. Riverstone declare your name. No corruption stain its hue. Riverstone forever new. Every piece a prayer of light. Song of Zion burns so bright. Riverstone reflect the sight. Every word a crystal sound. River wisdom all around, no illusion, no disguise. Riverstone, open the eyes. Every tone a holy vow. River chant the spirit now. Even night cannot conceal. Riverstone forever real. Generations pass along. River keep the ancient song from creation till today. Riverstone still show the way, ever pure and ever strong. River the endless song. When the tide at last subside, Riverstone still standing pride. Every echo soft yet sure. River truth will still endure. Bound by time yet always free. Riverstone eternity. Sacred gem of love divine. River chant till end of time. Flow, flow, mighty stream. Riverstone reflect the dream. Shine, shine, crystal bright. River the holy light. Song of the Riverstones, low and sweet. Sing of the truth beneath our feet. Never fading, never gone. River chant from dusk till dawn. For a glowing, bold and free. Riverstone, old destiny. Sacred chorus, strong and true. River sing for me and you. Sit and chant a song. Sacred tree keep people strong. Not in palace, not in throne. Sacred tree forever known. Every fruit a gift from Jah. Sacred tree uphold the law. Birds a sing upon the limb. Sacred tree a righteous hymn. River flow beside the root. Sacred tree bear holy fruit. Generations come and go. Sacred tree still grow and grow. Never bending, never gone. Sacred tree keep carrying on. Storm may rage and axe may swing. Still the tree of Zion cling. Not of timber, not of gold. Sacred tree the prophet stole. Every shade a place of rest. Sacred tree protect the blessed. Babylon plan can destroy. Sacred tree bring joy. Children climb and mothers pray. Sacred tree show righteous way. Fathers chant and nations bow. Sacred tree inside me chest, Jah manifest. Every tone a heartbeat strong, me belong. Drum talk truth, the tongue can't say night and day. Echo bounce cross the land street, spirit meet. Me moving rhythm steady and sure, me pure. Voice of the drum no lie, it testify. Me see the children sway along to just song. Them learn the steps of peace and fire, live higher. Every strike a prayer send, no end. Drum carry message wide across the tide. It voice of the drum call again, heal the pain. Ay ay ay. Voice of the drum speak Jah truth, guide the youth. Me build me rhythm pon the ground, sacred sound. Me close me eyes, me vision fly to the sky. Me see ancestor smile for a while. Drum beat up on the way every day. When silence fall pon town, me turn it round. Drum call unity rise, no disguise. Every man and woman here, drop the fear. Voice of the drum me keep in a me sleep. Boom boom, truth in sound, rebirth found. Every hit a prayer call, heal we all. Drum of life, drum of peace, never cease. Ay ay ay. Voice of the drum call again, heal the pain. Ay ay ay. Voice of the drum speak Jah truth, guide the youth. Ay ay ay. Voice of the drum beat divine, line to line. Ay ay ay. Voice of the drum set free eternally. Ay ay ay. Ay ay ay. So when the night feel still and numb, listen the drum. It's Jah heartbeat inside, we abide.
Ay, ay, ay. Rasta Nation, yeah, man.
Man,
Me step on lion path again. No fear, no chain. Every breath I him, every day I win. Me walk tall in Jamaica, eyes full of light. Me climb mountain, me cross sea, Jah walk with me. Me face trial, me face storm, but my spirit warm. My heart steady like drum. Better day come, no wicked tongue can't swear. Me trudge away, me see the snake whisper lies. Still me fly, me see them plot in a dark. Me spark, me wear truth like crown. Never bow down, each step me take bold. Me soul gold, the lion roar inside me soul. Keep control, me no crawl pan belly for man. Me follow Jah plan, me move with humble pride. Spirit guide, no fear of the night. Me walk with light, me learn for watch and wait. Me no tempt fate. The lion path rough still but strong will. Me stand when others fall, Jah call. Me carry me truth alone like stone. Here on the lion path me go, where the strong roots grow. True valley deep and sky, so I Jah by my side. On lion path me stay, night or day. Faith and courage me wear, Jah always near. Jah by my side, Jah by my side, Jah by my side, yeah. Me rest by the ancient tree, hear the prophecy. My spirit connect with ground, holy sound. The breeze carry my pain away, me pray. Each scar tell story true, what me been through. Me rise each time I fall, Jah call. The lion inside no sleep is promise keep. Me guard my mind from sin, strength within. Every roar I praise, Jah ways. Me stand on the cliff edge, I touch the sky. Me roar with truth and might, Jah light. Me see the wicked tremble low, them can't grow. Me roar for peace, me roar for love, from above. Me no fear the dark or pain, Rasta reign. Me no turn back for none, me done way upon the lion path me go. Where the strong roots grow, true valley deep and sky, so why Jah by my side, and I am part me still. Night or day, faith and courage me wear. Jah always near. So when me read Zion Gate, me celebrate. On the lion part me find peace of mind.
Aye, aye, aye. Giant reggae. Aye. It's through the valley, long and wide. Path of ancient, still we guide. Every stone and every mark, light the way from light to dark. Elder footstep left behind. Path of wisdom, clear the mind. Every mile a sacred tune. Walk beneath the ancient moon. Cover shape the totem high. Path of spirit touch the sky. Every tree remember name. Path of life remain the same. Babylon road built on sand. Path of ancients bless the land. Everlasting, bold and true. Path of mercy led we through. Healer walk with staff in hand. Path of ancients heal the land. Every herb and sacred stone teach the flesh the truth alone. Storm may rise but roots them stay. Path of peace still find the way. Every footstep pure and free. Path of Zion victory. Poets sit beside the trail. Path of ancients never fail. Every echo, every sound, keep the spirit moving strong. No corruption bend the line. Path of justice still divine. Every whisper from the past. Path of love will always last. Warrior lay his burden down. Path of ancients wear the crown. Every fight was not in vain. Path of truth remove the pain. From the mountain to the sea. Path of mercy carry we. Ever pure and ever near. Path of peace remove the fear. Generations chant and learn. Path of ancients still return. Every step a holy vow. Path of wisdom guide us now. Babylon does make loud the view. Path of faith still shining true. Everlasting, strong and free. Path of Zion victory. Morning come and voices rise. Path of ancients fill the skies. Never ending, never fall. Path of love unite us all. Every journey bold and true. Path of life renew the crew. Everlasting, pure and free. Path of Jah eternity. Walk, walk, side by side. Path of truth. Remove the pride. Rise, rise, strong and free. Path of Zion, victory. Path of ancients, wide and pure. Guide the people ever sure. Never breaking, never small. Path of mercy call us all. Forever shining, bold and new. Path of life in me and you. Sacred road so strong and free. Path of Zion destiny.
Oh, 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 oh.
rise from my skin. Fire burn deep within. Me no born for hate or fame. Me born for Janin. Every spark of prayer, me know Jah dey near. Zion flame eternal bright, light up the night. Them try to cool the flame of love, but it rise from above. Me no need no gasoline, just spirit clean. Babylon fear the chant me sing. Cause truth when me bring them build wall for divide. But Jah dey inside, me burn illusion, burn disguise, open eyes. Me burn corruption, greed and lie under Jah sky. Fire purify me heart, set me apart. The heat me feel no pain, wash me chain. Me look round so suffer spread, but Rasta never dread. Me share my fire for the coal, me story told. The youth are like the flame again, free from chains. I on fire guide them home, never alone. Me burn for justice true, me burn for you. The world can't sleep in a dark. Me ignite the spark, no power stronger than Jah will. Be still, this flame never fade. Righteous made, yeah. Fire in a Zion blaze, like the world in righteous ways. From the hills to the shore, Jah love explore. Fire in a Zion high, reach the sky. Burn away the wrong, keep us strong. The stories told by the elders bold. Them say fire teach respect, keep mind correct. So me guard my flame like crown, never put down it warm the poor man night. Pure delight, me see them try for dim my spark, still my mark. Every rhythm I chant ignite, guided light. My flame no weapon of war, it heals scar, burn away the hate. Open gate, me sit by the river edge. Make me pledge, me fire for truth, not fear. Johnny, them ask why you still burn. Me say me still learn, fire reveal what's real. Just heal, me light it up for the world to see. Freedom for we. No fireman can cool this flame. All Johnny, yeah, yeah. Fire in a Zion blaze, like the world in righteous ways. From the hills to the shore, Jah love explore. Fire in a Zion high, reach the sky. Burn away the wrong, keep us strong. Yeah, so when my spirit gone, the fire live on. Zion blaze eternal bright. Guide will I, yeah.
Ay, 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 ay. Me wake from golden sky, bird them fly like kiss the mountain peak. Me hear just speak, every new day me give praise. Jah ways, Jah ways, Jah ways, Jah ways, Jah ways, Jah ways. Me rise up strong, me heart clean, me live me dream. No worry, no hate, me whole, me spirit cool. Me see the sun bless the land, work with Jah hand. Love shine bright like beam, me supreme. Me step through street with smile. For a while people greet me with respect, no neglect. Golden morning soul reborn, break the storm. Every breath me take me know blessings flow. Golden morning light so true, Jah bless me and you. Golden morning peace me feel, love so real. Me sip me tea, watch it breeze, life at ease. The youth play by the tree, so free. Me pray the world keep calm, full with psalm. Golden morning teach again, no vain. Me see the elder beat the
drum, chant for kingdom come. The village waking song, nothing wrong. Me know Jah plan secure, that's for sure. Golden morning, pure delight, shine bright. Me no take darkness for friend, light transcend. Every sorrow fade away, new day. Golden time, divine design, so fine. Bon John, 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 John. Golden morning light, so true. Jah bless me and you. Golden morning peace me feel, love so real. Golden morning rise again, wash the pain. Golden morning bless the land by Jah hand. So when the night fade out of sight, me hold the light. Golden morning come again, peace remain. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah.
Zion Reggae, yeah man.
Blowing free from mountain crest, carry Jah word to east and west. Cool the brow, refresh the soul, guide the weary to Jah goal. Every breeze a holy sign, carry blessing pure divine. Wind of Zion never tire, fan the flame of Rasta fire. Wind of Zion swift and strong, carry the truth where it belong. Lift the prayer to heaven's door, spread Jah love forevermore. It passed through street, it passed through field. Tell the story that can't be sealed. It whisper hope to troubled heart, show the path where peace can start. It scatter seed in fertile ground, so life and joy will soon abound. Babylon wall can't block its way, wind of Jah will always stay. It cool the fire in times of heat, it lift the tired, guide the feet. From morning light till evening rest, wind of Zion do Jah best. It call the youth to rise and sing about the joy Jah love will bring. Every gust a righteous call, blow away the pride and fall. Me
First light break across the land, crown of dawn in Jah hand. Every color born anew, crown of mercy shine for you. Darkness fade, the shadows run, crown of dawn embrace the sun. Every glow a sacred flame, crown uplift the holy name. Elder rise and start to pray, crown of dawn reveal the way. Every heart begin to wake, crown of love no man can fake. Babylon dream now fade away, crown of hope restore the day. Everlasting, bold and pure, crown of truth will still endure. Farmer lift his face to sky, crown of dawn reflect his eye. Every seed I promise made, crown of mercy never fade. Rain descend and light unfold, crown of peace worth more than gold. Every morning bring a new, crown of Zion shine for you. Poet write upon the wind, crown of dawn erase the sin. Every word a gentle song, crown of truth keep growing strong. Even darkness cannot hide, crown of justice still abide. Every hue and every ray, crown of dawn define the day. Workers sing upon the field, crown of dawn is only shield. Every labor bless the hand, crown of peace across the land. No oppression, no deceit, crown of love make life complete. Ever pure and ever new, crown of Zion shine for you. Night return but light remain, crown of dawn remove the pain. Every soul begin to rise, crown of truth fill the skies. Generation lift them song, crown of mercy keep them strong. Everlasting, pure and free, crown of dawn eternity. When the world in silence rests, crown of dawn still shine the best. Never fade